Morning, afternoon, evening people, welcome back to the channel. It's your first time here, I'm Tony, this is little Teddy, and we're running an experiment today. Well, over the course of the next 2 weeks we're growing generic organic Harricot bean ingredients versus Harricot bean seeds. And these seeds are from Premier Seeds Direct. Brand new packet, just got them off Amazon, and these brand new off Amazon. Now these were £5.99 for half a kilo. This was £2.99 for 80 seeds. We're planting these against each other. Now, I did run this experiment last year, and the results were quite shocking. I'll put that video on the screen up here at the end of this video if you want to compare this year's result to last year's result. So run the experiment again, just for confirmation, see if the results are the same. So I'm going to plant 12 of each, 12 and 12, a gap down the middle, separate them. I'll plant them in this. These are from Container Wise, really strong, sturdy modules. I've actually got 3 of these. I've got a 40 seed module, this 28 seed module, and an 80 seed module. The 80 seed one is a Charles Dowding one. I'll link them in the description of the video. Now I am actually going to be growing these beans, growing them on. I'm actually filming another video at the moment, which is the 3 Sisters method. The 3 Sisters method is where you plant sweet corn, plant beans next to the corn, the beans go up the corn, and then you grow squash on the ground. So if you want to see that video, do subscribe, because you'll also see how these grow, because I am going to label them up when I plant them, which ones are from seed and which ones are from the ingredients. See how they grow. So these bean seeds are Coco Bianco, a French climbing Harricot bean, and these are a generic organic Harricot bean. See the difference in size? Anyway, so 12 bean seeds there. Beans there. Cover the seeds up there, a bit of compost loosely. And mark them up. So I've marked them up as shop and seed. Shop bought Harricot beans, Harricot bean seed. Give them a good soaking now. Pop on a south facing windowsill, or perhaps in the polytunnel, and I'll check back in about a week, see how germination is looking like. In about 2 weeks time we'll see what germination rates are like. Okay, as you can see people, I'm over the allotment, so I did end up moving to the polytunnel. Now today is meant to be the hottest day of the year. It's 25°C right now. I'll put Fahrenheit on the screen, yeah. But last weekend, the other day it was 30 degrees, so I don't quite believe it's going to be the hottest day. It's 1300 hours now, about 13:30. So anyway, they're ready. I did mean to give you an update as they were germinating, but I didn't get around to it. Very, very different results last year, so it just shows to run these experiments over and over, a couple of years in a row, just to see what kind of consistency we're getting in results. So first I'm going to show you where I'm going to be planting these out with the 3 Sisters method video that I'm doing, and then I'm going to show you what germination rates we got. Here's my sweet corn bed. This is where the beans are going, up against the corn to crop them. Now, I was a bit late to the party with corn this year. Well, I wasn't. I planted a load of seeds, had really terrible germination rates. So I had to buy a second batch of seeds and do another lot. That's why they're a bit late. Those squash plants there are the squash that are going in between the sweet corn with the Three Sisters method. I'm getting them quite substantial before I plant them out. And the beans will be on that shelf there. Okay, so here's our beans. These are shop, these are seed, 7 germinated of each. So same germination rates, identical. I've lost a couple of plants here. I think something's attacked them in the polytunnel. So I've lost 2. This one is looking at its last legs. Yeah, I think a slug or snail's got up on there. However, germination rates, yep, 7 of each. So we are going to see how well they grow in comparison against each other out there. If you do want to see the same video experiment I did last year, I'll put it on the screen here now. If you want to see more gardening, beekeeping videos, growing experiments I do a lot of, do hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.